In scipy, why doesn't idct A equal to A? I am trying to implement JPEG compression using Python. When I tried to apply the DCT quantization idct process for a TIFF image, I found something strange for scipy.fpak.dct/idct. Since there is only one ddct/idct within scipy package, I was doing this for a 2D DCT. I tested the 2D DCT/idct using a simple 3x3 matrix. I was expecting to get a true matrix with this test case. However, it turned out that after idct2dct2a, the result was scaled by a constant factor compared with the original A matrix. I would like to ask if there is a way to implement a set of 2D DCT/idct such that after a idct/dcta operation I can get the same output as the input.
You need to set scaling to ortho for both DCT2 and idct2. Also, you cannot expect the values to be exactly the same, but almost the same within some margin of error.
If you want to see more, please join the subscribing.